The title match for birthday boy. Birthday boy. Also, I'm changing my D&D character to be whatever Al's D&D character is.
Birthday boy?
It's the only word Al knows now.
Happy birthday.
The birds of birthday, happy birthday.
Oh, yeah, I got upwards of 2 achievements. Let's see what they were. Destroy the fabled holy hand grenade. Okay.
Oh boy, I got it.
You making new names?
Uh-huh.
No.
I don't have a brain for this today.
Deal exactly 12 damage to a worm with 100 health. Okay. Strange achievement. I did it. Okay.
There. Nailed it. Nailed it!
I'm ready.
What?
I'm getting there.
Doesn't even show you on Steam, John.
What? Doesn't show you on Steam. Oh, this game.
Be more like Scream. That's what I want to do.
I'm gonna restart this.
For Sean's birthday, we're all gonna take a lot of Valium. And then you just pass out.
Glug, 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 right? Drink Valium.
Is Valium a drink?
Nope.
Eh.
420 bong juice every day.
I'm bonging all day.
Hey, where's Shaggy? What do you mean, where is he? He's probably swimming in a pool of bong juice.
Yeah, that's what the kid asked me. He's like, where's Nick?
Nick.
Okay, I'm coming. Had to finish my edits.
Okay, what's wrong?
Bodie's home.
Happy birthday, Bodie.
Wait, I don't think it chose the right worms. Hold on.
Gonna restart.
Happy Bow Day.
Oh,
day.
hey, Mac, you should write that on Bodie's cake for her birthday
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
I can't tell if that was Mac far away or Bodie.
It's Bodie.
What?
Where does fucking cake come from?
That was work. I don't think that was as bad as my day so far.
Oh, tell us
Did
about
you
your
guys
day.
know that Mac is tired?
Bodie. Tell us about your day, Mac.
No, I'm good.
Tell Bodie about your day, and then we'll.
We've heard it.
How'd your final go, Mac? Did you get a
Yeah, did you nail it?
plus?
You don't actually care.
Sure he
I
does. He's
care.
Al.
Tell me. Yeah.
See, Al might care, but everyone else would just
What?
be making fun of
What'd
me.
you get on your final?
I don't know. I don't fucking know.
That's not good.
Why would I not
Okay.
care?
Tell me until next week.
Oh, that's not good.
Okay, Bodie, what Mac get on her final?
Bodhi's job is to teach you, right? She's a teacher at your school?
Yeah, that's
Sean,
both had
get
a-
birthday boy. Get in here.
Don't yell at the birthday boy. It's his birthday.
Here comes the birthday boy.
Here comes a special boy. Here comes a special boy.
It's my birthday.
It's Sean.
Sean's
You know, one
birthday
time-
is the worst day of the year.
One time I had my birthday at Chuck E. Cheese, and Chucky just started yelling at me. Wow.
Why?
Only half of that is true.
You did not actually have your birthday there, but Chucky started yelling at you on the
Yeah.
street. Rocky Tricksters. Dignant. Oh, it's the alternate Rusty Roosters. Birthday boy, birthday boy.
Just you wait. Hey there, buddy.
The birthday boys.
Yes, sir.
Dignan, Vines, just Vines. Nixie, Pixie. Oh, D&D. Who's Aqualass? Oh, okay.
Ah.
Come on.
Ah.
I'm going to pick a fight.
You've healed me. You've only made me stronger.
Glory be.
Yo!
The Mac Show starring me.
Hey, Jason, the woman's the friend zone.
The sweet side.
No,
I like.
not the
I
birthday
really
boy.
love the pink Vespa helmet to go with it. Oh,
Just you wait.
you nearly caught Jizz hallucination.
You guys quit picking on the birthday boy, all right?
Birthday boy, birthday boy, birthday boy.
Only from Al, everybody.
This is
And
an Al
me.
original. Check out my website, aloriginalcomedy.com. I got stand-up.
Could you crush a worm
Oh,
without throwing
oh,
and
what?
What?
oh, wow.
What?
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 There, there's our chance.
Good thing I was right next to that magnet.
Yeah.
That was all the...
You're in a tight spot.
Damn, we're in a tight spot.
Jesse. Jerry.
Darn.
Jerry.
Cragdor. Cragdor! Gary.
Gary.
Jari and Cragdor.
What the fuck are you doing? It's time for
Hey there, buddy.
Teletubbies.
Yes,
Oh, it's
sir.
time for the Mac Show.
Get on up. Get on
Come
up.
on. Get on up,
It's gonna be really funny if the first one destroyed is the friend zone.
Papa's got a brand new.
Pop into
get
a
on
brand
up.
new huh.
Get on
Come on,
up.
get on up,
Come on.
God, Al.
Al,
Come
get on
get
up.
on.
Al, get on up.
Get
Oh,
on
whatever.
up.
Al, not that close. No. What?
What?
Oh, you just destroyed a holy hand grenade.
Oh, wow.
OMG.
Good for me.
What is that voice? I cannot wait to hear more of Mac.
Glory be.
Sleet speak.
Who is Vines? You know, Mac doesn't actually play a plant character this time.
Yo!
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I know.
Don't hurt Toy me, York.
Fear me.
If you friend zone me, I will destroy you.
Oh no!
Don't again.
Where'd you go? Oh! That's what you get for friend zoning a guy. You get 120 damage.
Fucking A.
And you had more health than 120. Are you kidding me?
I did Vines because of the name, dummy.
The friend zone almost destroyed itself.
This seems like commentary.
Are you ready for war?
I don't know what to do.
Digna's sitting on the birthday boy's hat.
Ah!
Fight! Ooh!
Ooh! I was kept safe from all the damage around me, but then I was fucking nowhere to go.
Ooh.
The Rocky Chicksters. That's a new name of the robot band. We are the Rocky Chicksters.
Yeah.
Nailed it. Where'd you get hurt? That was a really wide blast radius. Anti-war commentary.
Hey there, buddy. Yes, sir.
Hey, what's say when we finish with all this worms business, I
Pocket's
take
got
you
a
home
brand
and
new
eat
bag.
your pussy. Please.
I'm tired.
Come on.
Why don't you say we,
Watch this.
go home and eat that shark?
I got you.
Maybe they're eating my flesh.
That magnet was worm of the round.
Oh.
Oh, glory be.
Yo!
You.
Plan.
What's the plan?
What is this voice? I can't discern it.
Leech.
Oh. Oh.
No. Okay, there we go.
Come on.
No, okay.
Hey, hoi!
Steady. Steady as she goes.
He said the line.
Pew pew!
Oh shit.
OMG! Learn to play! Hey, help yourself!
Dang it. How did it hit me that many times?
There goes the friend zone.
Goodbye, friend zone.
See, Mac, this is the metaphor. This is why Jacob won't leave you alone. If you just look at the situation, you'll understand.
I have 150 health.
You're
It's
destroying
one
your
rent
own.
with symbolism.
Sons of Wormland! I am one of
You think you can have 150 health to kill the other one? I don't have anything for this.
Why did you do that?
Well, now I have a way out, but I don't want to leave myself at Sean's mercy.
Sean doesn't have
You left
mercy.
yourself to Sean.
Exactly.
Not on his birthday.
A merciless birthday. The Sean McElwain story.
Mercy, you say?
Son of a bitch. Does everyone have one of those?
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Oh, it's a good thing I picked up all that health.
This is when I rip out my holy hand grenade.
And then have it bounce off the ceiling back
Hey
to
there,
you.
buddy. Let's kick some butt.
Can you make the jump? Can you do it? Oh. With that blank face. What now, motherfucker?
Glory be.
What are you gonna do about it?
Plan.
Yo!
Yo!
OMG! Whoa!
Back, no.
Land it.
Mac, no! Mac, this is you for the future! Don't do it!
Oh, sound like that.
Now here's what Max sounds like. Hey, you don't want to hear about my day. That's my impersonation.
Good one.
Happy birthday, Sean.
Oh!
Oh.
I didn't mean to do that, but...
Okay.
Good job.
Good shot,
Good
Jim.
job, Jeremy.
Good job, where am I? Oh, go.
Hallelujah.
Oh,
Hallelujah.
heavens. You didn't take him out the game.
I want to.
Hey there, buddy. Yes, sir. Papa's got, Papa's got,
Pop's got, huh? Pop's got, huh?
Hoo-ah!
Pop's got a brand new
You
bag.
can probably send her through the floor if you get a big enough explosive.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Do it, pussy.
Ow,
I don't know if that's gonna do what you want. Oh!
didn't. Oh well.
Pull that hole in.
Fart noise. Happy birthday, Sean.
Yo!
That's an arrow.
Okay. Oh, God.
You made this bed.
Oh!
Oh!
God damn.
The friend zone, and anyone who's come in contact with the friend zone is dead. You hear me? Yep. Dang it. Yep.
I hate that friend zone.
It's dead, Sean. I killed it. I killed the friend zone. It's gone. Alright.
I guess girls just don't want a nice guy.
Yeah, I guess.
I wear fedoras. And they just
Oh,
don't see my...
not the
sweetness.
birthday boy.
Here comes the birthday boy. Here comes the birthday boy.
Or 5.3. Oh.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Yes, you know, wow.
I don't know who this Jackie is. Man, Sean, why'd you have to collect all that before I could blow up the powder keg that was all of those items?
Jeez.
Not an old lady! Yeah, get closer. Get right up on it.
Bah.
Why would you climb up it? What?
Clang, clang, clang. I love how obtrusive the magnet sound is.
Ching,
Clang,
ching.
clang.
there, buddy. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come on, imposter.
That's my favorite thing to do in life.
I'm going to pick a fight.
Alright, what did that accomplish?
See you later, alligator. I got you.
Move.
Jizz all over the
You not have one of
Glory
those?
be.
Not yet. I don't think I want to.
Come on.
It's your birthday.
What's the plan? Whoa!
You base all these on different aspects of my life.
Whoa!
There's one named Mustard
Mac, are you
Gas.
serious?
I am.
Get out of
This
here.
is my last worm.
Good. This is what I'm gonna do to you.
Sons of worm
I don't think you're gonna get that worm this time.
Old wormship and titles?
No?
Old wormship and titles? Gold?
I didn't think you were. That was my gamble.
Just send him off like a diehard
Are you
villain.
ready for war?
Hey, buddy. Live free or die hard.
I just friend zoned
wow.
Damn.
you. Boom,
Like
baby.
Die,
There's a chance.
like Die Hard 9.
Time to live forever.
God damn it. I signed one petition on change.org and suddenly they flood me.
Menu 12 now!
Where'd you get?
That's good.
This is a slam jam.
Go by back. Trying to figure out what he's doing.
Oh, my worms still live.
Hey there, buddy.
Yeah, I did have a lot of plans for them before Mac came and made me blow her up.
Oh, fuck. Wrong
What's
button.
this? Grenade.
Oh no! Huh.
I'm alright.
Alright,
Relatively
He's
He's
unscathed.
doing okay.
shake it off.
Glory be.
What are you doing?
Saying worms.
Smushes Mac's cheeks together.
Ah,
Sons of worm! Old wormship and titles?
There's a piece of land right there, isn't it? God damn it. Yep. Yep.
Looks like you're stuck
Are
there,
you
Ace.
ready for war? There's a world without rules.
Comments Xbox One today.
I had a feeling we couldn't do direct hits.
If you order, like, by the day one edition, you get an achievement.
Birthday luck.
And that's the only way to get the achievement. It's an exclusive achievement.
Hey, tell Aaron not to buy the Xbox One. It's a dumb thing to buy a thing for. It's stupid. It's dumb.
I'm pretty sure he's not planning on it, Al.
Okay, well, just, if he doesn't, maybe he can use some more time in obedience school. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Nah, I mean,
You know what I mean? Whack.
the Buffalo of Lies.
Oh, alright.
Goodbye, Buffalo of Lies. Loop. A bloop bloop.
really hard to be tough.
Bye, buffet of lies. Bye, you stupid comic.
Oh, that hurt my feelings, Sean.
Well, I'm the birthday boy. I can hurt your feelings. Not today.
He can't hurt your feelings.
Hey there, buddy. Let's kick some butt. Papa's got a brand new
Plant some
bag.
dynamite or something. Sink them. Put them down there. Blow up the floor. Oh no. Al gonna disconnect.
Come back here.
Okay.
Oh no!
Are you getting this?
No.
Oh! Oh! No! Oh,
No.
no, not me! Not me! Ow! You idiot!
Al. That was hilarious.
Wow.
See you later, alligator. Wow.
Al, I take it back. That was a great comment.
Jolt,
Glory be.
you've doomed us. I was your only hope.
Sons of Why? All wormship and titles? All wormship and titles?
I had to do that.
Gold?
Why don't you go back downstairs?
What's he gonna do?
Hey, also, you know what else comes with the Xbox One, according to the ad Aaron is probably talking about? Yeah, it comes in premium black packaging.
If we join, we can
Premium black packaging.
Premium.
Oh, it's not.
Premium.
Waiting for other players.
Oh my god. Can we like not bring anyone else over? There's already too many people in this house.
Hey, you got me, you got Sean, you got Al.
Yeah,
Yay.
bring us over.
I'm not Drat!
I bring the chip, Sean bring the dip, and
Declan can't come.
Let's kick some butt.
Al, don't throw a grenade.
Programmed by a machine to wipe the cub off you.
Ew. Oh, that's right, I said that.
Every time I type that out, I'm gonna put a V at the end.
Come on. Come on.
Come on!
No, we had a double-decker plane and an airbus come in within like 10
We had a
minutes.
double-decker sandwich and a bus plane sandwich come in.
Glory be.
We have 2 decks.
why is
What
it
the-
why aren't you inviting anyone over? It's Sean's birthday already.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on.
Alright, yeah, Sean, this is all for you. This is a party for you,
It
so
better
you gotta
be.
get over here.
That present wasn't too good.
Look, I've had finals all week. I'm sorry.
Oh, did you have finals all week?
So I brought my laptop this time. Yeah!
Oh, I
Don't
didn't
worry.
even know.
Mac, are you done with finals?
Yes, Al, I'm done.
Hooray!
Extension and other sounds in case.
Actually, I want you to send it and I'm gonna frame it on my wall.
I guess we should say happy birthday, Mac.
What? Yeah, no, yeah. It was still in the package. Oh no. That is a settlement.
Yeah, I'm just gonna turn off the mic.
Essentially.
It's like this. They're this.
As if I needed more of an edge.
Nope.
Birthday boy!
Coming for you, birthday boy.
Santa?
Hey there, buddy. Yes, sir.
Well, we know that one of Sean's characters is in that hole beneath the fire hydrant place.
I don't know what anything does.
Mac, I was lying. I love the gift. I especially like all the little electro bolts coming out of it.
Boing.
They make me think of Pikachu, you know?
Oh, man.
Like his tail.
Yeah, he's pretty cute.
But I always wonder what the heart's meant, though. That's interesting.
Well, don't worry, Sean, because it doesn't mean anything.
Well, there's 3 of them, so...
That means hugs and... That means hugs and hugs, that's all that means.
Okay, well, what's the third one? What's the third one mean?
Hugs and hugs. Hugs and hugs and hugs.
No, I don't think it's that.
There we go! That's where he is.
Aw, jeez, my 200 health.
Al, we got him!
Got him on the rope.
I will crush your rebellion.
I've got my one hand on Al's shoulder and a knife like stuck in his side, and I'm leading him on. We got him, Al. We got him on the ropes.
Oh wait, he was invisible up there too?
Yeah, I just happened to guess where he was.
Oh.
I'm using
That
a
was
texture
the
hack.
worst mistake you ever made.
Oh God!
Damn it!
Who's next to me?
Ah!
Well,
Look me in the
at
eyes.
least this happened.
He blows up and gives you 30 health.
Hey there, buddy. Yeah. Papa's got a brand new bag. Papa's
Birthday
got a
luck.
brand new bag.
Don't do anything fancy, Al. Just use a missile. You can hit him. No, no, not a homing missile.
Come on.
Come on, Virgil.
Oh boy.
Damn.
You don't say. Oh, why
It
couldn't it
was
be Mac?
close, though.
Your rebellion is nothing to me.
Every worm really loves.
Why couldn't it be Mac?
It's a preview of a future character.
Sons of worm life. Worship and
Do you have an NPC that's gonna run with us and be charming?
I do. If he survives.
His name's Sean. It's Crow Man.
No. I still haven't drawn him though, because I kind of
Oh.
can't.
Worm is free.
I'm kind of wondering.
Uh-oh.
Careful, Al.
Blow out those candles, birthday boy.
That was a good one.
When I typed Crow Man, it's like a dude who's in, I don't know, like a crow mascot costume. With the big fluffy head
The
and the like.
California crow.
Ah!
He has a t-shirt on over his feathers.
He's trying really. I always
Like
love how
that.
bad that looks on anthropomorphic bird designs, like
Yeah,
the
it does.
t-shirt, squeezing all your fat in. Ah!
Republican and furry. I get more tail than you could possibly imagine.
You're not allowed to build that anywhere. Boop.
Every worm really loves.
Ah, dang it.
Oh
Hey there,
no.
buddy.
You're all on the bottom. Just gonna untangle for a while.
Ah! What?
Alfred, no! Wait, what? What? Oh!
How is that possible?
Hey!
Glory be.
No, heavens, oh dear.
Sons of worm life. Worms don't follow titles. On wormship and titles.
Derp.
On wormship and titles. Gold.
Strike me down, and I'll become more powerful than you can possibly imagine.
No, no!
On wormship and titles.
Oh,
Gold. Oh la la.
jeez.
I have been given. Oh!
This game is the ultimate, like, self-free game.
The what?
Ultimate self-free game.
Oh!
All for nothing. If you don't
Wow,
have
that's
freedom.
deep. That's scary.
No, there's no chance.
I had finals this week, I just didn't tell anyone. I didn't want to make a big deal about it.
Didn't.
What were your finals like? Sean, what classes did you even take in your first year of college?
I took a writing class,
Writing?
and all the other normal stuff.
What? I guess I'll check. Normal for me was, obviously you had a, like, oh, poor Al.
Oh.
Obviously you had life draw.
Uh-huh.
R.I.P. me.
It's not the birthday anymore.
What is
And the last drawing in 3D, or not 3D, but like sculpture.
Did you have fundamentals?
Uh-huh.
Are you ready for war?
Oh man, this is tense.
Well, it is. Ooh.
Our worship and titles?
The stakes have never been higher.
Fight, and we may die!
Woo!
And all for nothing if you don't have freedom. Now is our chance.
Oh, baby.
Huh.
Sword of Damocles is hanging over your head.
Actually, I'm gonna take this as a learning experience. What's the Sword of Damocles?
It's the sword hanging over the guy's head.
Is that it? Where's the
Yeah.
rest?
That's
Come on,
Sean.
hit it, Sean. Hit it.
Uh-oh, Sean. No.
Oh!
Oh.
This is a regular Anakin Kenobi.
I have the high. Oh, we both have the high.
Oh, well, dang it.
Ah. Hmm.
Mhm.
What you gotta do?
Fascinating. Hey, what you gotta do?
Hey, who's got the...
Worms don't follow titles. They
Whose
follow
ground is
courage.
slightly higher?
I've become more powerful than you could possibly imagine.
He's jealous.
No, Declan, don't try it.
Are you ready for war? Ow! Our worship and titles? Gold? Fight,
No.
and we may die!
Oh.
You look a wee bit shaky.
I like how that rope
Oh.
kind of has a mind of its own sometimes.
Now is our chance.
Isn't the water level supposed to be rising every time a turn ends?
It is.
It is.
Oh, it is. Did you like move your other worm? Do you only have one?
Only have one.
Are you lying?
No.
Aquatus. You just bark. Oh, you stealing? You make me
Nope.
okay.
Oh no!
Oh, brother. Oh!
Not every worm really lives. Sons of worm. Our wormship and titles. Our wormship and titles.
Dun, dun,
Gold?
dun, 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 dun.
Are you ready for war?
Whoa! Oh.
Ooh.
Oh no.
Fight, and we may die. Now is our chance.
I could just sit here and force you out of hiding. Or you could go jetpack on me.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh! Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh, baby!
Oh!
Oh, baby! Oh! Are you kidding?
Oh, jeez. Birthday. No.
No! Oh my goodness!
I'm still alive.
Yep.
Not after your turn, though, because it's gonna go up again.
Well, let's see. Oh, actually. You were the chosen one! You were supposed to bring
I
balance to the
am.
Force, not destroy it!
Yeah, Joe.
Wow, what
Are you ready
emotions
for
were
war?
running through that scene? Betrayal, distrust, crying,
I walk away from your lava grave.
sweating,
Fight, and we
being
may
hot, lava, computer animations,
Love.
betrayal,
Oh!
hatred.
It's all for nothing if you don't have freedom.
Look at the stage.
What
I'll
rich
come back
thematic resonance.
Worm of the round. Chemists. Loves a good crate. Cockroach. Entertained you all. Mac was very
Oh.
accurate.
Birthday boys.
I was the most joker.
Hey, I'm Seth Green. Hey.
Jeez.
I hate that guy's voice.
You really do.
His voice is like an idiot.
You 5?
Do another one.
His voice is like an idiot.
Do another.
Alright. Well, it's a good game of Worms, Sean. Happy birthday to you. I roll. This birthday receives a 7. You got a 7 out of 20. Way to go.
We gotta save against a terrible birthday. Alright, here we go. 14.
7 again. 17. 20. Ooh, that's the big one. 13.
Keep rolling until you do every number.
6. And before that seems too bad, I rolled this one on a d12, so there's less numbers to be. So you're halfway there.